I think my inspiration every day is the women who do things that are mighty but are not visible. And I wanted to offer them a platform where they can be recognized so that excellence is not something that we hide, but that is something that we honor and celebrate. I want every woman to believe in themselves, to know and trust that they're capable of doing much more, whether they're celebrated and recognized, that they don't let anybody tell them that they cannot do anything that they've set their minds to, and that they are beautiful, powerful, and mighty, and that they need to continue to shine their light on others. And always remember that as they climb the ladder, they even bring more women up. I want to give a big shout out to my mother, who is my inspiration every day. I want to give a big shout out to all the women that work with me, the partners, every woman who has made this Wheels a success, especially the nominees of this year. And I really want to honor and celebrate my dear, dear Carmen Nibigira, who left us, but whose wisdom, brilliance, and support to women continue to light up every room that we walk in. Thank you so much.